Good morning. I'm Miss Short and I will be your instructor for this course. I am going to show you a little bit about the class and where everything is in this video. If you already know where everything is, you're awesome. If you forgot over break or just need a little bit of help, then you can watch the video again. If you don't, then you can skip it. But here we go. This is your class. This is the updates page. Obviously, there's not much on here because it's the beginning of the semester. I post my updates on Mondays, so every Monday there will be a new update. In the update, there will be a link to the week. It will say which week we are on, and you can click right on the week name, and it will take you directly to the content for the week. Under upcoming is where your assignments will be. If you click directly on the assignment, it will tell you the due date, and it will take you directly to the assignment. If you click on the materials page, it takes you to the materials tab in the class. This is my contact info, the attendance flowchart. If you don't remember how we take attendance, here it is. You have to have at least a 70% to be counted present. If you do not have a 70%, you have to have completed at least 2 assignments in the class that week. They can be late assignments that you hadn't completed before, or they can be current assignments from the week. It does not matter. You just have to have completed 2 assignments if you have below a 70%. If you have done neither of those things, you will not be counted present for the 5 previous days. So we take attendance 5 days at a time on Thursday. These are our units. The past units folder, once we finish a unit, it goes into the past units folder, and if you are looking for late work, that is where you will look. We will be starting on Unit 1, Lifelong Physical Activity. Week 0 is this week. Since we are starting on a Wednesday, we start with Week 0, and then next week will be Week 1. And then that is pretty much it. So in this video, underneath the video, or actually above the video, there will be Week 0 that you can click on once you watch the video, and it will take you directly to the content. I look forward to seeing you all this semester. Can't wait for Wow Wednesdays.